Hello kids, welcome to Tuku Kuku channel.
Today, we are going to learn 3-letter at, egg, n, and head words. Let's read and learn together.
B E T bat B E T bat G E T get G E T get J E T jet J E T jet L E T let L E T let M E T met M E T met N E T net N E T net P E T pet P E T pet S E T set S E T set V E T vet V E T vet W E T wet W E T wet B E G beg B E G beg L E G leg L E G leg P E G peg P E G peg K E G keg K E G keg E G G egg E G G egg D E N den D E N den H E N hen H E N hen M E N men M E N men P E N pen P E N pen T E N ten T E N ten Z E N zen Z E N zen B E D bed B E D bed R E D, red. R E D, red. L E D, lead. L E D, lead. F E D, fed. F E D, fed. W E D, wed. W E D, wed. T E D, Ted. T E D, Ted.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next fun and educational video. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to the TukuKuku channel.